Imagine your refrigerator is a bustling city. The CottonColors Stackable Fridge Containers are like well-organized skyscrapers. They bring order to the chaos. This 3-in-1 pack includes an egg container. It also has 2 food storage containers. They all have lids. These containers are timer stackable. They are refrigerator organizers, and they help with storage. Their size is 12.8 x 6.8. They are a great solution. For instance, they tame unruly food. They make your fridge efficient. Furthermore, they save valuable space. Therefore, your fridge will be a tidy haven. These CottonColors stackable fridge containers are truly practical. The egg container is a clever design. It protects your fragile eggs. Moreover, the food containers are versatile. You can store leftovers, or you can pack snacks. The lids fit securely. This keeps food fresh. Similarly, the timer feature is useful. It helps track food freshness. Thus, you reduce food waste. Additionally, they are stackable. This maximizes vertical space. Your fridge shelves become more effective. Consequently, finding items is easier. They are like quiet guardians of freshness. In conclusion, the CottonColors stackable fridge containers are a smart investment. They simplify fridge organization. Plus, they enhance food preservation. They are durable, and they are easy to clean. Overall, they transform your refrigerator. It becomes a model of efficiency. Consider these containers. They are a valuable addition. They will make your life easier. Ultimately, they bring peace of mind. Pros: excellent seal protection, keeps food safe and fresh, stores food neatly, isolates odors. Effectively, holds 18 eggs securely, prevents egg bruising, transparent food-grade material. BPA-free and freezer-safe, date dial for freshness tracking, space-saving stackable design. Features: designed for egg storage, includes tight sealing lids, an integrated timer, stackable design. For space, acts as a refrigerator organizer, made by CottonColors, comes in a 3-in-1 pack. Suitable for food storage, keeps eggs fresh. The CottonColors 3-in-1 egg container helps you store and organize eggs in your fridge. It has tight lids to keep your food fresh and even includes a timer to help you remember how long items have been stored. Since the containers can stack, they save space, making your refrigerator tidier. The CottonColors 3-in-1 egg container pack is a great way to keep your eggs fresh and organized in the fridge. These BPA-free containers hold 18 eggs each, preventing them from bruising and keeping odors from spreading. They're clear, so you can easily see what's inside, and they have a date dial to help you track freshness. Plus, they stack neatly to save space in your refrigerator.